trees. In spring, the trees are a beautiful sight, dressed in blossom, pink and white. Each summer, the trees are full of treats, apples and pears and cherries to eat. In autumn, the trees are red and gold. The leaves fall down. The days grow cold. In winter, the trees are bare and plain, waiting for the spring to dress them again. Have a look out of your window and see. Have a look out of your window and see. What do the trees look like today? Can you tell what the season is? Can you tell what the season is while you keep on the trees